Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see essay on use of leisure or how spend my leisure. Let's start. Introduction. W. H. Davies has written in his famous poem Leisure, "What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare." The poet loves a carefree life. He hates hurried and worried life. To him, a carefree life is a boon. Meaning and necessity. Leisure means the time when one is free from one's routine work. It is spare time. It is the time meant to be enjoyed or spent in rest or recreation. Leisure time gives relief from long hours of work and labor. It offers opportunity to fill oneself with renewed energy to start again the task of life. Leisure time is the golden time to be utilized in one's spiritual and intellectual development. One can groom one's personality and by properly utilizing the leisure time. We should use our leisure time to satisfy our inner demands. The best use of leisure. In my opinion, the best use of leisure is reading books. I like to read books in my leisure time. I am fond of the Harry Potter series. Here I forget to write font. Sorry for that. Okay. Let's start. I am fond of the Harry Potter series written by J.K. Rowling. I have also read other books like Alice Adventures in Wonderland, The Adventures of Rusty, The Malgudi Days, etc. Detective stories and biography of great persons are also my favorite topics. Reasons of my choice. Reading is a good hobby as well as a good pastime. It gives you knowledge. You get good knowledge about people, places, and other activities from the books. It is a good way to expand vocabulary. It helps you in understanding people and situations. Reading books help to relieve your stress and uncertainty. It is a well-researched fact that good books readers can never experience mental stress and depression. Also, reading quality books is the best hobby that keeps your mind relaxed and focused. As it is said, a reader lives 8,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one. George R. Martin. Conclusion: we should not waste our time in idle tasks or lying in bed. Time is precious. Time once lost never comes again. So we should be careful about the proper use of leisure. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.